Smart Ads Facebook tutorial, panel, performance review, reports, permission settings. Let's start with performance review. Step 1. All ads performance data is available to review on the Smart Ads homepage. You may also choose to view by time period. Next, exporting reports. Step 1. Click Export Report at the top right corner of the home page. Step 2. From the pop-up window shown on the left, you may choose the time period and click Export. The report will be sent to your login email address. Next, permission settings. You may edit access rights of specific staff in the permissions and security settings. Here are some suggestions and notices. You should add at least 3 products in one campaign for the system to learn better and identify the hot-selling products faster. You can only add up to 10 products in each campaign. If you wish to add more than 10, please create a new campaign. On a daily basis, you should put at least RM10 behind every product and at least RM30 behind every ad campaign to reach enough exposure for machine learning. Suggested: RM10 times 3 products times 30 days equals 900 ringgit a month. If your budget is too low, you may not be allowed to add products into the campaign. We strongly recommend you not to change any ad setting or ad content after a campaign has started in order to maintain the best AI learning process. We recommend the use of auto optimization. Turn on Adjust Ads according to performance changes in the settings, allowing the system to optimize results for you. Please limit manual operations to maintain the best AI learning process. Here's a special notice. AI product recommendation is based on data of the past 7 days. The system will not be able to recommend any products to you if your store hasn't received any data traffic in the last 7 days. To better track the performance on Google Analytics, URLs on Smart Ads are all tagged with UTM. Thank you and happy advertising!